How you doing, YouTube viewer? Thanks for viewing my video. This video is to kind of promote a new pizza shop. It's actually as good as Al's Pizzeria that I mentioned a couple weeks ago or months ago in the video. This is actually a good style New York pizza. Let me go ahead and show you the place and where it is and everything. Here we go. Here is, you get 2 slices. I already ate one to see how good it was. You get 4 garlic knots and everything for $5, and you get a fountain drink. Definitely worth the money. It is definitely good looking pizza. It's not as the size of New York, but it's still a good size. Garlic knots are nice and fresh. Pizza is nice and fresh and tasty. So please come to this place. It's on Cimarron and again, it's some great pizza. See that I'm not playing around. You can hear the nice crunch. Nice, good, crunchy pizza, New York style. As good as Al's Pizzeria in Kissimmee. The only difference is the size. The length of the pizza is a little smaller, but it's still worth it. So thanks for watching my video. And again, if you guys like good pizza and you live in Florida on Colonial Drive, you'll find some good pizza at I Love NY Pizza. So here's the place. Sorry, they do not deliver, but this is the times. This is the location. From 1988. They have a whole bunch of different stuff. Wings, calzones, hot subs. Definitely have some coupons here. And you got some desserts, some beverages. But yeah, I ate another garlic knot, so it's definitely worth the time and money to come out here to I Love New York, or I Love NY Pizza. It's definitely some great pizza.